there live tonight on South Padre Island, right along Padre Boulevard, and it's a beautiful evening. And I think the first half of the weekend looks equally as beautiful, and then Sunday things may begin to change a little bit. We're here because, just to remind you that tomorrow with Bike Fest going on, this will be closed for just a little while. But if you're coming out for any reason this weekend, just know there'll be a lot of bikes out here, and they're going to be closing this road temporarily from 6 to 7 tomorrow during the parade, and probably only for a few minutes as that parade of bikes goes by. Interesting day today. We started off with clouds, and parts of the valley saw some showers. If you take a peek at what the satellite and radar together looked like early today, there was an awful lot of moisture streaming across the valley. In some places, actually got some pretty good rain out of the deal, but then you can see a lot of places didn't get anything. Now, Doppler can estimate how much rain fell, and here's what it suggests. And the heaviest stuff, about 3/10 of an inch out in the ranchlands of northern Hidalgo County. Most other areas seeing less than a tenth. Most of the rain gauge is missing out on it, but at least there was a little bit of moisture around. Not a lot, but at least a little bit. Let's look at the current temperatures across the valley, see where we stand right now. Those clouds have all moved out. As we were driving out, we could see the remnants of them offshore, but now they're even gone from the horizon. Temperatures across the valley, all in the 80s, 80 in Port Isabel, 82 in Harlingen, 89 in Rio Grande City right now. And here on the island, running about 72 degrees, considerably cooler than every place else, as we've talked about. Dew points are down once again, courtesy of the drier air that built into the valley. About 47 is the dew point. That's very definitely down in the dry range. So it's really a comfortable evening across the valley. Now let's look at future track. Things start to get interesting as we head into the weekend. Tonight's quiet. I think tomorrow is quiet. So mainly clear skies overnight. Tomorrow, patchy fog early. And then during the daytime, I think we'll see plenty of sunshine, and it's very warm tomorrow afternoon. So breezy and warm Saturday, a great day for outdoor activities. Sunday, things begin to change a little bit. Moisture increases, and there's a big-time storm system working its way toward Texas that's over California right now, causing all kinds of problems there, but it's working its way our direction. By 1 o'clock Sunday, not much going on. Still pretty quiet, but as the afternoon goes on, we see the chance for showers and perhaps even some strong thunderstorms. The best dynamics at about midnight Sunday night into Monday morning. So things could pop as early as Sunday afternoon, but there could be heavy stuff into the nighttime hours Sunday night. But by Monday, it's gone. It looks like we dry things out and bring drier air back in. So we've got, about a 12-hour period from Sunday afternoon to early Monday morning. We've got that shot at some showers and thunderstorms. So we're dry tomorrow, and then late Sunday into Monday, we're up to 50%, and then Monday early 30%, and then things should taper off after that. What's it do to temperatures? Well, not a lot. The next 3 days, our normal high is 75. We're going to stay above that even with this rain coming in. We're still at 88 for Saturday and Sunday and about 80 degrees on Monday, so at least a little bit cooler. Now, let's take a look at the NAM. This is the North American model, and it shows the rain lingering just a little bit longer. Take a look. Stuff that came through today moves out. Tomorrow's warm and breezy. Here comes that next system. It's an upper air system. There's a front associated with it. The front falls apart, but the moisture still comes into the region. The upper air disturbance still comes in. This model's a little slower, keeps the rain around a little later. Doesn't bring it in until late Sunday night and early Monday, and then has it lingering into Monday during the daytime. So there's a potential for this to move a little bit slower, but certainly by Monday night it's gone and things begin the drying process. So again, I think from late Sunday into early Monday, that's our best shot, and there is potential for severe weather with this. So this is one of those weekends you want to pay attention to the weather. Keep your KRGV app at your side so you can see radar all weekend long. In the morning at the beach where we are, 75 degrees, a gorgeous start to the day. Southerly winds at about 15. As the day goes on, temperatures don't go anywhere here. We stay in the mid-70s all day long at the island, and then by tomorrow evening still at 73. Southeasterly winds continue. The UV index obviously very high because of all the sunshine. Going fishing there, the tides at the jetties, the low and the high. The seas are 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop. The bay temperature right now still stands at 68 degrees. So tonight, skies stay mainly clear. Could be some fog later on, a low of about 63. And then tomorrow, I think there's plenty of sunshine. It's breezy and very warm. Your high temperatures across most of the valley, 88 here at the coast, around 73 or 74 degrees. Much cooler, maybe 75 at the island. So again, Sunday into Monday, that's what you want to pay attention to. There is potential for strong thunderstorms in the valley. So again, the KRGV weather app has radar on it. You can get notifications on that. We'll be doing videos on that so you can see what's going on. So tune into the KRGV weather app. Of course, we're on Facebook and Twitter as well. And then right here on the air, we'll have all the latest information for you on Sunday. Just one of those days you want to keep an eye on the weather just in case this stuff does develop. Live on South Padre Island, Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.